or fire volcano, roared to life, spewing columns of gas and ash into the sky early on the 14th of December. The first explosion took place in the early morning before sunrise, and it was followed by another blast at 8:06 a.m. local time. The National Civil Protection Coordinator, Luis Felipe Puente, said on his Twitter account that the column of ash and smoke rose 3,000 meters over the crater before it was pulled by winds heading southeast. A third outburst took place at 11:41 a.m. local time, with the column rising to 1,500 meters.